Welcome back to another video, and today I'm gonna be unboxing my very new pet. So let's get to it. So I'm gonna use the knife to open it. Well, a knife. Attempt to anyways. You will see what my new pet is in a second. Whenever I open it. I'm not going to tell you, but you can type. Well, there's a thing here and another thing here. Okay, I'll put those things somewhere else. I need to use the knife again. Or, never mind, I don't need to use knife. So let's get on. Okay, it's going to be hard to get this out. I have to be quite careful even if I'm not being too careful. Well, I am being careful, but it's hard just trying to get this thing out. Really hard. Oh, I end up taking the lid off the thing. Okay. It seems like I suck at that, so I'm just gonna destroy the box. Yeah, I think that was much easier than just before. Yes, I got it out. Now, you will not see that for a second. I just need to move my friend the box and the knife. The voice cracked then. Get that. The lid, don't need that. Okay, we got the enclosure because the enclosure comes with the bug I'm getting. Make sure you check out Mini Beasts. This is where I got my thing from. Okay, it's quite hard to open this. Open the lid just so. Now the bug and everything will be in here. There's too much stuff. There's something in here. I'm gonna check that out. If I can. It doesn't really want me to show it. Aha! Got my brand new pair of tweezers. So this also comes with the bug. Massive. Okay, we got the bug here. Yep. We will get to the bug in a second. This might give it away. So, UV light. I need batteries. And some nice soil. Dirt. Okay, put the dirt over the side. Let's check out the bug. Okay. It's in here somewhere. Oh, he's very small. He's tiny. Damn. He's minute. I'm not sure if you guys can see. I'll put him in the enclosure and then I'll show you guys. That's good, I got another jelly cup. These guys are harmless and they get much bigger, but this one is just a little baby. It looks like, so. Guys, look. It's a scorpion. It's a rainforest scorpion. As you can see on the lid. That's the name. Isn't this guy cute and small and tiny? So I will be building an enclosure for him. And see you in the next video. Make sure you check out Mini Beasts and check out my next video. See you in the next video. Bye for now.